Hey, what's up, everybody? It's 2A Libertarian here, and check it out. We have a Canik TP9 Elite Subcompact. And as you can see, it's in the hard case. This is actually the case it comes with, so big thumbs up on that. Let's go ahead and open this box up. This is a re-unboxing because if you've noticed, I haven't uploaded it in like a month. That's because I have a new phone. The old phone took a shit, so we're going to create new memories with the new phone. And let's go ahead and get into it. So right out of the box, I'm going to go ahead and address this. This actually fell out of the top half of the case. I haven't used it, but this is a soft nylon brush. It comes with a cleaning rod as well. We'll set that to the side here. A lot of my viewers, they always say, well, why do you wear gloves? Do you see this? Under light, especially when you're handling like black firearms, you're going to get smudges. I don't like smudges on my firearms when I'm presenting something to you guys, so that's mainly the reason why I wear gloves. This is from me handling this manual without gloves, so I believe the oil off my fingers may have gotten on this. But anyways, let's get back to the video. It comes with your manual, your warranty stuff, you know, all that jib jab. Nobody cares about that right now. The firearm comes with your 15-round mag, your tool set, your lock, your holster, a flat base plate, a 12-round magazine that's already inserted here, a large back strap, and it has a smaller back strap that's already installed, your optics plate, and your plate adapter. It does not come with a SIG Romeo 0. This is what I installed on here maybe a day or two after getting the firearm. I actually got this installed, bore sighted it, and took it to the range. So if you're not subscribed to my Instagram, you probably have not seen the video of me just shooting this thing, the first shots. It comes with a holster. I'm not a fan of that, but it'll get me by until my new one arrives. When you get it from the when you get the holster, it does come installed with the clips set up for outside the waistband. I am not a guy of outside the waistband carry. I don't do that, but to each his own. The holster it's okay. It's a little flimsy. I'm not a fan of it. But like I said, it's great that it comes with the firearm, and it'll get you by until you get what you want. So let's get into that. Let's take this little sleeve off here. This gun is clear. As you can see, the chamber flag is in there. There's nothing in the chamber. It comes with Warren Tactical front and rear sights. The front sight is phosphorus, so it does have a little bit of a glow to it. Is it the best sight? No, I won't say it is, but it's good that it comes with that. This sight is, it does glow a bit. It doesn't glow like maybe longer than maybe 5 minutes, but I haven't really timed it. I would say 5 to 7 minutes if I was just looking at it. But it's cool that it comes with it. The rear sight has these serrations in it. I don't know if I can get that in the camera, but it comes with these serrations. If the thing will focus, there we go. And I'm assuming that's to cut down on the glare, which is good. And the sights are steel. I actually like that as well. So Warren Tactical did a great job with teaming up with Century Arms and Canik and getting that on there. The front and rear serrations are great. Great for doing press checks. I actually like that. They're not too deep and they're not too soft. They're actually just right. The mag release is decent. I'm glad it's that size. It's not too big. It doesn't protrude outside of the frame too much. But overall, that's a great setup. The selling point of this gun is the trigger. That's the main reason why I think I actually purchased this. I've never been a Canik fan until now. This is my first Canik, and I will say it won't be my last. Let's go ahead and get this chamber flag out of here. So like I said, the trigger is a selling point. It's a very nice trigger for out of the box. I mean, let's go ahead and show that reset. I mean, it's right there. So if you have to do your follow-up shots, it's right there. This is a great trigger right out of the box. So I actually like it. This is the blackout edition. You can see I have a little bit of oil. I have a little bit of oil on this gun. You can see it coming right there from like a trigger group setup. But I always run my guns a little wet and let the excess oil burn off when shooting. That's just because a wet gun is a happy gun. I've always known that. Not too wet because you don't want it to accumulate dirt. But I leave it just a little wet. And like I said, it actually helps. Overall, I'm actually impressed with the gun. The barrel is decent. The way it comes out of the box, man, I mean, they did their thing with this. It has your rail here, your 2-slot rail, probably for like mounting like a mini light. I haven't decided which light I'm going to go with, so you guys help me out. Give me some suggestions. I'm thinking about like an O light or something. I'm not sure yet. You know, let me know what you guys think in the comments. I don't want to change anything on this gun just yet because it's so good. It's that damn good, y'all. I'm always telling people when you buy a firearm, always shoot it in stock form. You know, don't change the trigger, don't change the springs, don't change the sights. If anything's add a red dot, you know. See how you like it first. Break the trigger in. And that's what I'm actually doing. I'm trying to break the trigger in. I want to see how this thing holds up. But so far, out of the 100 rounds that I've put through it, it's eating everything. It's eating steel. It's eating the brass. It's eating the hollow points. You can see in this mag here, this is actually my carry mag here. I use Critical Duty. It's a whole case, I mean a whole magazine of those. Pretty expensive run, but it did it. It did it. I always say shoot your defense ammo. See how that gun cycles that. Because there's no use in going to the range, shooting target ammo, and then you're using your defense ammo and something happens when you need it. No. Shoot your defense ammo. See how that gun reacts to it. But so far it's eating everything and I'm actually feeling it. I have no complaints. I don't think this is going to be my last Canik at all. So far it's great. I like the way it comes with the loaded chamber indicator there, especially like at night, you know, if you want to just feel if there's something in the chamber there. It comes with your, like a cocking indicator. Let me go ahead and, you can see it right there, the little red. You can see a little red thing right there, the little plunger. You pull the trigger, goes away. I like that. So it does have its safety features there. But overall, I would say this is a great purchase. If you're on the fence about Canik, ask a friend who has one. Shoot it and, you know, put a good 20, 30 rounds through it and see how you like it. I'm pretty sure after shooting it, you're going to go buy one. But that's it, guys. You guys have a blessed day. Follow me on IG, 2A Libertarian, and I'm out.